What's up, Power Addicts crew? Today's video, we're doing a 2000 TJ air filter. You guys have seen me do the YJ. Some of you TJ fans out there want to see how yours is done. We're going to do it today. Pretty straight up and simple. We got a clip here, there, one back here. In typical TJ fashion, that one never gets clipped back. Why? Because it is such a pain to get to. So, snap, 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 and snap. Now some people's gonna blow a bunch of hot air up your tail and say, hey, we gotta take that loose right there, but you do not. You simply slide it out right there, pull your old filter out. All right, check out the difference. Dirty filter, clean filter. And you see you got a little bit of light transmission coming from the sun on the new filter right there. It's kind of getting through pretty decently. That old filter, check this out. Nada, zero. It's about 2 years old, this filter is. So definitely time. Let's see what we got in here. Look at that, we got critters between it. Oh, they died in the critters. Oh, we got leg in that one. Might be interesting to see what's inside here if we keep playing with it. Anyway, put the filter back in. Take your nice pretty new filter, put it in. If you got any kind of debris down here you need to clean out, do so. If you live in a back country woods, you may have leaves or who knows what up inside here, but if you do, clean that stuff out. Put your new filter in. Lay down, dang it. And slide the cover back in. Get your top properly aligned. And push and snap them back in. Get your top properly aligned. Dang it. There it goes. There's that. Come back here. Snap. Snapped, snapped. And see, that was so hard. That was a difficult video, wasn't it? A few snaps, air filter changed. If you need it, there's your number. CA8205 for a 2000 model TJ. Fram number. Some of you like Fram, some of you do not. Fram, I'm okay with Fram air filters. Oil filters, not so much. So, everyone, appreciate you hanging out with me. Peace out, and don't forget to subscribe. Comment down below if you like. And everyone, appreciate it. Peace out. Later, y'all. What's up, all my Power Addicts crew? Today's video, we're doing a air filter in a TJ. You see me do the be bug attacked. Bug.